Hello, salamander. Do you know what eats you? I have many predators such as snakes, birds, and frogs. They usually only come out at night, so we can't see them. When we get caught, they lose our tails and legs. They can grow them back. What is your life cycle? First, the mother lays eggs in a pond in the spring. Next, the eggs hatch in about 5 weeks. Then the baby salamander stays in the water for about 12 weeks. It uses its gills to breathe underwater and begins to grow legs. Finally, by late summer, the salamander has lost its gills, grown legs, and move onto land as an adult. What do you eat? I eat spiders, worms, snails, and small fish. I hunt in the woods for food. I catch my food with my tongue. Large salamanders eat snakes, mice, and frogs, and a spring frog salamander eats other salamanders, so I am a carnivore. How do you protect yourself? I protect myself by spraying poison, and sometimes I pretend. 2. They usually come out at night when it's hard to see them. Some species blend in with their surroundings because how their color and markings. These patterns make them even harder. What is your habitat like? I live in logs, caves, and water, and land. On land, I live in the dark, and a dark place is the rotten log. Many salamanders live in both on land and water.